Hello everyone, today I'm here to talk about the stutter counseling. So, my name is Yuvraj Lamsal. I am from Bhaktapur, Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, Nepal. So, you can say, and so I'm today my topic about the counseling for stutters. So, what is my counseling for all of you is that first of all you have to uh, take some classes with speech therapists because speech therapy is the best techniques to overcome the stutter. So from where you are watching to me, so in your country, in your city, there may be many speech therapies clinic, or if you don't have, you can take online classes also. There are many speech therapists who teach you in the online, so you can join with them. So another thing is that first you have to join to the speech therapy clinics. So another thing is that if you have much more problem, if you are very anxious and very depressed because of a stammering, then you should visit a psychologist or a psychosocial counselor. The psychosocial counselor helps you uh, very effectively. So in your city, in your country, if there are any psychologists, you can visit with them. So what I say you two things. First thing is speech therapy, another is the psychologist. Two things is very important. And if your condition is very severe, then what to do? So if your condition is mild to moderate, then you can just visit a speech therapist. Then uh, the speech therapist can help you better. But if your condition is very severe at that time, you may have to visit a psychologist or and also psychiatrist, and maybe they will provide you some medicine to reduce your anxiety level. So when your anxiety level is reduced at that time, the speech therapy tools and techniques can work easily. So if you are very anxious, if you are socially anxious, if you are anxiety and depression issue, at that time you should visit to the psychiatrist and so you can get some medicine. So in this way, sorry. So in this way you can help yourself to overcome your stuttering problem. So another thing is that you have to do everyday practice. There is no any alternatives. Then the practice you have to do everyday practice. Practice makes a man perfect, and consistency in practice. Another thing is that I will tell you, I will give all the tools and techniques in my video. If you watch my video, you can find different kinds of therapy tools, speech therapy, psychotherapy, so CBT therapy. I have made different video on this tutorial because I know the pain of stammering. I know the how much pain, how much anxiety, how much depression is there to be a person with stutter. So I understand your problem. I try my best to make the video according to your according to your problem, so you can share your problem in which situation, in which condition you stutter more, and I will make the video for that also. So you can comment me to make the video you want to watch, what kind of problem, in which situation you have here. Suppose you may have here in the phone calls, then what type of techniques you have to follow. You have here in the that job interview, then you can ask me in the comment section, so how to face the job interview being a person with this stutter. And if you have the fear of the public speaking, you can ask me, because I am giving many public speeches. I am a person with a stutter and I am teacher in school, so I never miss any public speaking, but I enjoy it. So before 3 4 years I was very panicked while giving a public speech, but I don't become panic because of my regular practice. And I accept my stutter also. Yes, I stutter. Many times I stutter while giving the public speech, even now. But I don't take care it. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. So if you don't mind it, then it will not increase. So why your stutter increase? Because you mind it, because you worry it, because you become anxious about it. You become depressed about it. You think and worry, you overthink it, and because of this, your habit, your stutter is increasing. Nobody is increasing and decreasing your stutter. You yourself, you are the creator. You are the creator, that god, god, generator also you. O means operator, you, and destroyer is also you. You are god. For a starter, you are god, because generator, operator, destroyer, all are you. You yourself make the starter. Means it means in the beginning when you are child, at that time there may be different cause. Nobody will you will call stammering in their life, but due to many reasons it may comes. So that is one thing. But after that, so how you deal with it, that is in your hand. Always the choice is in your hand. Yes, problem is not in your hand. The situation are not in your hand. Conditions are not in your hands. I understand. But when that condition comes, then how you deal with that condition is in your hand. Suppose many people many people have the breakdown, break up. Many people have the breakup. So same thing happens, breakup. A boy and girl fall in love, and after some time, due to many reasons, they got the breakup. Then how they deal with the breakup? So somebody become very anxious, depressed, and become depression. We have the depression and get the medication because of the breakup. So another person also has the breakup, but he just smiles, just love. Okay, no mention. I'll try another girl, another boy. There are many in the world. Perhaps I'll get more talented, more rich, more educated girl or boy than he or she. Why should I worry? I am a genius. In this way, you can give yourself suggestion, then you will not be depressed. So choice is in your hand. So don't say choice is not in your hand. Your hand there is choice. If you are stutter, even if you are severe stutter, then you can be happy. How? Because I myself was a severe stutter. Look, I'm happy. So you can be also happy. Just if you are severe stutter, just take the speech therapy class. There is no other choice. Speech therapy first thing. Then other thing is you can visit a psychologist. Another thing, if too much problem, you can visit to the psychiatrist doctor to get some medicine for anxiety or the depression. So three things I said you, so you will be happy. Don't worry. Thank you very much. Watch my video.